Get ready for the dictation. Start. The center's directive to Twitter to remove manipulated media tag on posts is illegal. The Government of India's directive to microblogging platform Twitter that it remove the label manipulated media from certain posts shared by functionaries of the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, including union ministers, has no legal leg to stand on, but it reveals that the government of India is willing to go to any lengths to empower BJP functionaries to tarnish political opponents and misinform the public. The BJP functionaries circulated on Twitter what they called a toolkit prepared by the Congress to disparage the government. The Congress has filed a police complaint that the BJP functionaries forged a document that does not exist. It has also written to Twitter to permanently suspend the accounts of those who circulated the forged documents. There is indeed a document that the Congress prepared on the opportunity costs of the Central Vista project for its internal use. The one circulated by the BJP leaders included additional pages on COVID-19. The BJP has failed to provide the digital footprint or the copies of what it calls the COVID-19 toolkit. There is no evidence that the Congress has done anything in the toolkit, which was supposedly prepared in May, but the toolkit proposes courses of action that have already happened in April. An analysis by fact-checking platform Alt News has revealed. Toolkits are meant to be about coordinating future actions on social media and not cataloging past events. When challenged on facts, a BJP propagandist revealed the identity of a woman who was involved in the Central Vista research leading to her bullying by cyber mobs. Twitter has not complied with the center's directive, and at least 6 handles of BJP functionaries now have posts with the tag manipulated media. The reasoning behind the directive, in the absence of any legal provision to cite by the Government of India, is baffling. It has argued that the labeling was a prejudged, prejudiced, and a deliberate attempt to color the investigation by local law enforcement agency. By this metric, a private company must allow what it has determined as problematic content until a state agency concurs. Twitter has a publicized policy that it may label tweets that include media that have been deceptively altered or fabricated. It could use its own mechanism or use third-party services to make that determination. Twitter is a private entity whose relationship with users is guided by its terms of services. The IT Act that empowers the government to regulate content does not give it the power to order the removal of a label. Additionally, the government move raises serious concerns regarding arbitrary censorship and transparency. The center's desperation to control any discussion on its failures and shift the focus on to the opposition is leading to such situation that embarrass a democracy. Rather than intimidate a private company, the BJP and the center should discipline its functionaries into more civility and trustfulness in their engagement with critics. Stop.